The construction industry is changing, fast. All over the world, things are moving, building and reaching for the sky. We're not just talking about bigger buildings though, it's about smarter buildings. Buildings that are good for the planet and built with the latest technology. From the United States to Europe and over to China, the future of construction is here. Let's dive in and see what's happening. This ain't your grandpa's construction site. We're talking drones buzzing overhead, robots laying bricks and three-dimensional printers spitting out entire houses. But it's not just about the cool gadgets. It's about doing things better, faster, and greener. The world is changing, and the way we build needs to change with it. Here in the United States, we love progress, we love efficiency, and we're starting to love sustainability too. That's why you're seeing more and more buildings going green. We're talking LEED certifications, solar panels, and energy-efficient everything. But going green ain't always easy. It can be expensive and sometimes it slows things down. That's why we're also seeing a rise in modular construction. Think of it like giant Legos for buildings. Build it off-site, ship it in, and snap it together. Faster, cheaper, and less waste. Not bad, right? Now let's hop across the pond to Europe. These folks are serious about sustainability. They've got strict regulations and big goals for green building. We're talking near-zero energy buildings that are so efficient, they practically run themselves. And it's not just about individual buildings. Europe is also leading the way in smart cities. Think traffic lights that adjust to traffic flow, buildings that talk to each other, and sensors that monitor everything from air quality to energy use. It's all about using technology to make cities more livable and sustainable. Now let's head over to China, the land of megacities and lightning-fast construction. These folks don't mess around when it comes to building big and building fast. They're using AI, robotics, and 3D printing to erect skyscrapers in record time. But it's not just about speed. China is also starting to embrace sustainability. They're investing in green building materials, renewable energy, and sustainable infrastructure. They know that to keep up with their rapid growth, they need to build for the future. So, there you have it. 3 different regions, 3 different approaches to the future of construction. The US is finding its footing with sustainability while embracing modular construction. Europe is leading the way in green building and smart cities, and China is pushing the boundaries of technology and speed. It's a global race to build a better future, and it's exciting to see how each region is rising to the challenge. One thing's for sure, the future of construction is looking bright.